Welcome to my channel. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. In this video, we will discuss about the Cartesian product of the two sets or cross product of the two sets. So what is Cartesian product and what is cross product? We will understand from the following definition. If A and B are two non-empty sets, that means there is a two sets. A is a one set, B is a another set. These two sets are non-empty sets. That means A and B are have few elements. Then the set of all ordered pairs A comma B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B is called Cartesian product of A and B and is denoted by A cross B. That means the collection of all ordered pairs. All ordered pairs mean all possible ordered pairs. That is A comma B. A is the element of A and B is the element of B. So within bracket A comma B is the ordered pair. So this kind of all ordered pair, collection of all ordered pair is called the Cartesian product of set A and B and is denoted by A cross B. You can read it as A cross B. A cross B means collection of all ordered pairs of A comma B. A is a element of A, B is a element of B is called the Cartesian product of A and B and denoted by A cross B. The symbolic representation of the Cartesian product of two sets or cross product of two sets A and B, that is A cross B equal to within bracket A comma B, where A belongs to A and B belongs to B. That means collection of all ordered pairs of elements is called the cross product of A cross B. So in the ordered pair, first element is the element of A and second element is the element of B. So this kind of all possible ordered pair is a Cartesian product of A cross B. You can read it as A cross B. The ordered pair A comma B not equal to B comma A because the order is important. A comma B never equal to B comma A. So order of the element is very important. The first element belongs to A and second element belongs to B. So this is the condition. When these two ordered pairs are equal, if A equal to B, if A and B are equal, then the ordered pairs are equal. A comma B also equal to B comma A. So order of the element is important. Here A comma B is a ordered pair. Ordered pair means so order of the element is important. First element belongs to A set, second element belongs to B set. So that is called the order of the element. Here A comma B not equal to B comma A because A is the element of A set, B is the element of B set. But here B is the element of B set, A is the element of A set. So order changing, there is a order change. So these two are not equal. So this is called the ordered pair. So Cartesian product also refer as a cross product. Cross product and Cartesian product both are same. Exercise 1.1, first problem. Find A cross B, comma A cross A and B cross A. So find the Cartesian product of A and B, Cartesian product of A and A and Cartesian product of B and A. So two sets are given. Set A equal to 2, minus 2 and 3, and the second set B equal to 1, minus 4. So A set contain 3 elements, B set contain 2 elements. So find the three Cartesian products. Cartesian product of A cross B, A cross A and B cross A. So these two sets are given. Find the 3 Cartesian products. Set A has 3 elements and set B has 2 elements. So this is the set A. This is the set B. 2, minus 2, 3 and 1, minus 4. So our aim is to find the all possible ordered pair using the element A, 2. So A set first element is 2. With the help of 2, find all possible ordered pair. So first element paired with first element of B, that is 1. 2, 1, that is the first ordered pair. Next, first element of A with the second element of B, that is minus 4. 2, minus 4. 2, minus 4. This is the second ordered pair. So these are the two possible ordered pair using the A set first element. So first element mapped with the first element of B, first element mapped with the second element of B. So these are the two ordered pairs. Next, find the ordered pair using the minus 2, second element of A, using minus 2. Minus 2 is pair with the first element of B, that is 1. Minus 2, 1, that is the minus 2, 1 is the next ordered pair. Next, second element also paired with the second element of B, that is minus 4. Minus 2, minus 4. Minus 2, minus 4. These are the two possible ordered pair using the second element of A. So minus 2 paired with 1, minus 2 paired with minus 4. Minus 2, 1, minus 2, 4. So these are the two ordered pair using minus 2. Next, find the ordered pair using the third element of A, that is 3. 3 is the third element. 3 mapped with a B set element, first element and second element. First element is 1. 3, 1, that is the first ordered pair. Next one is 3 with the second element is minus 4. 3, minus 4. So these are the two possible ordered pair using number 3 in set A and using the two elements in the B, 1, minus 1. So these are the all possible ordered pairs of from set A and B, A cross B. Here 2, 1, 2, minus 4, minus 2, 1, minus 2, minus 4, 3, 1, 3, minus 4. So these are the 6 ordered pair, all possible ordered pair, 6 sets. 6 ordered pair is called the Cartesian product of A cross B. Find the Cartesian product of A cross A. So Cartesian product between the same set. A set is given 2, minus 2, 3. So set A has 3 elements. So find the Cartesian product between the same set. So A has 3 elements. Here A also has 3 elements. So first find the all possible ordered pair using the first element of A. First element of A is 2. 2 paired with the first element of A, that is 2. So 2, 2. This is the first ordered pair. Next one is 2 is paired with the minus 2, second element of A. 2, minus 2. 2, minus 2 is the second ordered pair. Next, 2 paired with the third element of A, that is 3. 2, 3. 2, 3 is the third ordered pair. So these are the 3 ordered pair using the first element of A, that is 2. Using 2, we get 2, 2, 2, minus 2, 2, 3. Next, find all possible ordered pair using the second element of A, that is minus 2. Using minus 2, paired with the first element of A, that is 2. Minus 2 comma 2. Minus 2 comma 2 is the first ordered pair. Next one is minus 2 with the minus 2. Minus 2 comma minus 2. This is the second ordered pair. Next minus 2 with the third element 3. Minus 2 comma 3. Minus 2 comma 3. So these are the three ordered pair using the number minus 2. Next find all possible ordered pair using the third element of A. Third element of A is 3. Using 3 paired with the first element 2. 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2 is the first ordered pair. Next 3 with the second element is minus 2. 3 comma minus 2. 3 comma minus 2 is the second ordered pair. Next 3 with the third element is 3. 3 comma 3 is the third ordered pair. So these are the three all possible ordered pair using the third element 3. The Cartesian product between the set A with the same set A. A has 3 elements. Here A also has 3 elements. Using 3 elements paired with 3 elements, we get the following 9 ordered pairs. First we pair the element 2 with the 3 elements. We get 2 comma 2, 2 comma minus 2, 2 comma 3. So these are the 3 possible ordered pair using the number 2. Here first element are 2. First elements are 2. Next use the second element minus 2 paired with the 3 elements. We get minus 2, 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, 3. So these are the 3 ordered pair using the number minus 2. Here first elements are minus 2. Next we use the number 3, third element 3 paired with 3 elements. We get 3 comma 2, 3 comma minus 2, 3 comma 3. These are the 3 possible ordered pair using the number 3. Here first elements are 3. So finally we are getting 9 ordered pairs. These are the all possible ordered pairs from the set A with A, that is A cross B. Cartesian product of A cross B. This is the final set of collection of ordered pairs. 9 pairs. Next find the Cartesian product between the set B and A, that is find B cross A. B set has 2 elements 1 comma minus 4. A set has 3 elements 2 comma minus 2 comma 3. So find the Cartesian product of B with A. The B set first element 1 is paired with 3 elements of A. So 1 pair with 2, that is 1 comma 2. This is the first ordered pair. Next 1 paired with minus 2, that is 1 comma minus 2, second ordered pair. Next 1 pair with third element of A, that is 3, 1 comma 3. This is the third ordered pair. So these are the 3 ordered pair using the first element of B1 paired with 3 elements of A. Next second element of B is minus 4. Minus 4 is paired with 3 elements of A. First minus 4 pair with 2. Minus 4 comma 2. Minus 4 comma 2 is the first ordered pair. Next minus 4 is paired with second element of is minus 2. Minus 4 comma minus 2. Minus 4 comma minus 2 is the second ordered pair. Next minus 4 is paired with 3. Minus 4 comma 3. Minus 4 comma 3 is the third ordered pair. These are the 3 ordered pair using second element of B, that is minus 4. Using minus 4 we get 3 ordered pairs. The first elements are minus 4. So finally the Cartesian product between the set B and A is we have 6 ordered pair. So these are the all possible ordered pairs. So n of B cross A equal to 6. So number of elements in B cross A, that is a Cartesian product of B and A, is 6.